What is all that racket outside of my window? Oh, hey, it's our friendly neighborhood drone. Hey guys, I guess you're wondering about Mindfield 2.0. You are invited. Brownsville, Tennessee. Hope you can make it. August 21st, that's a Saturday before my birthday on the 22nd, starting at 9 a.m. Anything that flies, bring it on by.
Mindfield is the largest metal sculpture in Tennessee. Its creator, Billy Tripp, has been continuously adding to it since 1986. Billy opens up his giant work of art to the drone community once per year. This year, it's happening on Saturday, August 21st, starting at 9 a.m. and ending whenever. Thanks to Mr. Tripp and the city of Brownsville, the entire property has been made available to us. That means there's plenty of parking, a field for camping, and even spaces for RVs. The Mindfield Grill will be open with great food, and AC power will be available for anyone needing to charge batteries. This is a free event, so you're encouraged to use the donate button on the Mindfield webpage so we can maybe do this again next year. Be sure to RSVP, and then you'll be registered to win stuff. Everyone had a really good time last year.
Well, at the FPV event here in Brownsville, Tennessee.
How are you gonna get the drone down? You could throw it.
All right, here we go.
Okay, spin it so it lands on its tummy.
Woo. Oh God,
Oh God, oh. Oh! So he just missed the pipe.
How's it looking?
It looks good.
All right.
Oh, that'd be a good run to get going straight. Oh, yes! Yeah! Do it again, do it again, do it again. Oh, everybody loves an FPV pilot. This is your first FPV ride along.
It is.
Does Jason fly? I'm sorry, I should just ask him. He's right here. Jason, do you fly FPV? Do a flip-de-doo. Let's see what she does. She's moving her head like that. I love this. I absolutely love this. To hear the FPV drones flying and to hear the whir of the photography drones hovering around. Look at all my friends down there. Look at all these wonderful people that came to visit me and the Mindfield on my birthday.
Hope to see you at Mindfield 2021 in Brownsville, Tennessee. Brought to you by RemotePilot101.com, LoomCube, GPC Cases, FreeWellGear.com, and FlyHighFPV.com. By the way, just in case you're thinking of coming up on the fire tower yourself, he doesn't allow that, and that's pretty apparent by there not being any stairs. There's places for stairs, but there are no stairs on this thing. So the way I'm having to get down, as I hold the camera, and I should be holding on to something else, I have to put my feet on these brackets where the steps would normally go, you see? So that's why it takes a half hour to climb up. That and the fact that I'm 54 years old and out of shape. So I hope you can appreciate it.